Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rice wine easy method. Rinse 2 cups short grain rice until water runs clear, then drain. Steam rice for 30 minutes, then cool to 30 degrees C. Sprinkle koji or starter evenly and mix gently. Transfer to a sanitized jar, add 500 ml cooled boiled water, and ferment at 20-25 degrees C for 10 days with daily gentle stirring. Adjust sweetness after fermentation and bottle. Enjoy! Keep your fermentation steady and patient. It's worth the wait. Maintain temperature between 20-25 degrees C and stir gently once a day to distribute enzymes. If you see a white film, it's usually harmless koji activity. Discard any fuzzy mold that is green or black. Taste after 7-10 days and stop when balance of sweetness and acidity pleases you. Label bottles with date to track freshness. Quick recommendation: subscribe and like if you find this video helpful. It really supports the channel. Also, socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I spotted these, and they feel like a cozy pairing after a long ferment. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider supporting creators with small purchases. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Aging gently improves flavor, but fresh rice wine is delightful too. Store bottles in a cool, dark place for 1 to 3 months to mellow flavors. For longer aging, monitor taste monthly and move to cold storage when you like the profile. Serve chilled in small glasses and pair with light dishes like sashimi, pickles, or grilled vegetables. Always sip slowly and note each batch's unique character for future tweaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.